Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Consumer Shorthand classes. This is the chapter 7. Please see the instructor, page number 31. Circle S and Z. The consonants S and Z not only represents by the strokes but also by a small circle. Initially, this is initial, this is middle, this is end. Final. First place, second place, third place. Initially, the circle S represents the sound of S only. Initially, if you see, this safe is there. If circle S comes initially, this sound should be S only. Z will not come. But if this circle S is placed in the middle of the stroke and in the second place or in the third place, it represents the sound of S or Z. S or Z. S or Z. Here only S sound only it comes. Okay. You see, safe. This is circle S. If you put the circle S, the sound will be S only. Then how to write Z? The sound of Z initially must be represented by the stroke Z. We should write the stroke consonant only. You see, 0, 0. Okay. In the second place, if we put the circle S, either S or Z sound will come. Z sound, you see, muzzle is there. This circle medially, the sound comes Z, muzzle. Like that in the third place also. The circle S, when standing alone, is to be written with left motion. What is this left motion? If you write like this is left motion from right to left. The opposite motion is called right motion. When the circle is standing alone is to be written with left motion. You see here grammar locks are there. You please see the next page. There circle is above the line represents as. Circle above the line is called as. Then this circle, how to write this circle? This circle is to be written like this. Like that, circle on the line is to be written left motion, like this left motion. Okay. So here again I will repeat, circle S when standing alone is to be written with left motion. Also, the circle S is written inside curves. It can be written inside curves. This is the curve. Inside it is written inside curves. Safe, sense, circle S, N, circle S, inside curves. Like this it is written. Like this it is written. Like this it is written. Like this. Okay. Next, outside angles formed by two straight strokes. You see a gasp, key, P, P. Two straight strokes are there and they are causing angle. Outside angles formed by a straight strokes. Two straight strokes are here and here outside angle we can write. Gasp. Like that, rasp. Outside angle is coming, isn't it? Gasp and rasp. Third one is with the left motion when joined to straight strokes not forming an angle. Here angle is being formed. That's why we are writing like this. But here two straight strokes not forming an angle, they are like this. Then we have to write with the left motion only. You see, tacit, TT. There is no angle coming. Then we should write with left motion only, not like this. We should not write like this. This is wrong. We have to write with left motion like that. Cask, KK. There is no angle coming. Then we have to write with left motion, right? You see the para number 43. Initial circulus is always read first. Initial circulus is always read first. And final circulus is always read last, like this. Safe. Circulus we are reading first, like that. Safes, for example, safes. This S is being read last, safes, right? Next, vowel signs are placed and read in relation to the stroke consonants only. Stroke consonant means this one, F. Vowel signs are placed. This vowel sign A is placed in relation to F only. F is having first place, second place, third place. But the circulus is not having places to put the vowel sign. That's why we are placing this second vowel place in relation to the stroke consonant and not to the circle. Example, safe. Para number 44. Circulus may be added to the gram locks. Circulus may be added to the gram locks. What types of gram locks? To the stroke. Instead of gram locks, we will write logograms. Logograms. Both are one and the same, but circulus may be added to the stroke logograms like this. Come, it is a stroke logogram. K on the line, come, it is a gram log. We can add circulus to that so that it becomes comes. Put P through the line is a stroke logogram. We can put circulus to this. Stroke L, when precedes or follows immediately a circle which is attached to a curve, is written in the same direction as the circle. Here you see sun, we will write like this. Then if you write L before this sun, we have to write like this, downward but not upward, like this. Actually we have to write like this. This is not the rule. Rule is to write how the circulus is written, like that the L is also to be written. Next, cancel. A lightly sounded vowel may be omitted. If a vowel is very light, it can be omitted, as in the words poison. Here this A can be omitted because poison, it is very lightly sounded vowel. Actually we have to put the vowel here and it can be omitted, not necessary of writing here, like that. Refusal, here yeah we can omit, like that. Desire, A can be omitted, desire. Whether A vowel is there or not, we can pronounce this desire as desire. That's why these lightly sounded vowels may be omitted. Now, gram locks. If you put G on the line, it is usual, usually. Circulus above the line, as, has. If this is on the line, is, his. K circulus above the line because T circulus through the line itself. T circulus above the line, those, thyself. Thyself will come very rarely to us. The important thing is those. T circulus on the line, this. T circulus through the line, thus. You practice the exercise number 23 and 24 also along with these gram locks, so that tomorrow I will give dictation. Practice in the sense, practice the outlines thoroughly by heart, so that if I give dictation, you can easily to write. Okay, then if you like my video, please share to your friends and also subscribe my channel. Also give a like to this video.